Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Hub.
Hello, my name is Julie. I want to tell you about my family. My family is very happy and kind. We live in a small, nice house. In my family, we respect each other. We help each other every day. When I feel sad, my family supports me. When I feel happy, my family celebrates. We like to eat meals together. We talk about our day every evening. We share our stories and our dreams. I feel lucky to have such a family. My father is the head of our family. He is a very hard-working man. Every morning, he wakes up early. He gets ready and goes to his work. My father works as a postman. He delivers letters and parcels to people. He works in the sun and in the rain. He never complains about being tired. He always says, "Work is important." He earns money for our family. He takes care of all of us. I am very proud of my father. My father is not only hardworking, he is also very kind and loving. When he comes home, he smiles. He spends time with us every evening. He likes to tell us funny stories. Sometimes he brings us small gifts. He teaches me to be honest. He says respect is the key to life. He loves reading the newspaper at night. I sit beside him and listen. He is my role model in life. I want to be like him. Now let me tell you about my mother. She is the heart of our family. My mother is a housewife. She works hard inside the home. She cooks delicious food every day. She cleans the rooms and the kitchen. She washes clothes and keeps things tidy. Her hands are always busy with work. But she never complains about being tired. She always smiles and loves us. Her love makes our house bright. I love my mother very much. My mother is also very wise. She teaches me good manners every day. She tells me to be patient. She says kindness is more powerful than anger. She helps me with my school lessons. Sometimes she tells me bedtime stories. Her stories are full of wisdom. She also teaches me how to cook. I help her in the kitchen sometimes. She has a small garden with flowers. She loves roses and tulips very much. Her smile is like sunshine in our family. Now I will tell you about my brother. His name is Jack. Jack is younger than me. He is in grade 7 at school. He goes to school every morning. He likes mathematics and science the most. He also likes to read storybooks. He plays football with his friends after school. At home, he does his homework quickly. He helps my father in the garden. He makes us laugh with his jokes. He is the joy of our family. Jack is not only my brother, he is also my best friend. We play together every afternoon. Sometimes we ride bicycles around the street. We watch cartoons on weekends together. Jack is very curious about everything. He asks many questions every day. He dreams of becoming a doctor. He says he wants to help people. He studies hard to reach his dream. He respects our parents and listens well. I believe he will have a bright future. My family enjoys spending time together. On weekends, we go to the park. We sit on the grass and eat snacks. Jack plays football with other kids. My father tells us funny stories. My mother prepares tasty sandwiches for us. I take pictures of our happy moments. We laugh and talk under the trees. We don't need expensive things for joy. Just being together makes us happy. These moments are very special to us. This is the beauty of family love. At home, we have daily routines. We eat breakfast together in the morning. My father drinks tea with bread. My mother drinks coffee with milk. Jack and I drink juice or milk. We talk about our school and work. Lunch is sometimes together, sometimes separate. But dinner is always together at night. We thank our mother for the food. After dinner, we sit and talk. Sometimes we play games or watch TV. This makes our family strong and close. Respect is very important in our family. We never shout at each other. We talk kindly and softly to everyone. My parents always say respect is first. I help my mother with housework. Jack helps my father in the garden. We respect each other's opinions. Even if we disagree, we stay calm. Respect makes our family peaceful and strong. Love and respect walk together in our home. This is why our family is happy. I feel safe in my family. My father teaches me discipline every day. My mother teaches me kindness every day. My brother teaches me curiosity every day. I learn from each of them. My father works hard outside the home. My mother works hard inside the home. Jack works hard in his school. I also try to work hard in studies. Each one of us has a role. Together we complete the circle of family. Our family is small but strong. Our family is full of love. We celebrate special days together. On birthdays, we make cakes and decorations. My mother bakes a sweet cake. My father buys gifts for us. Jack makes colorful handmade cards. We invite relatives to our house. Everyone sings and claps with joy. We also celebrate national days happily. We take pictures for our memories. Celebrations make our family bonds strong. We don't forget these happy moments. They stay in our hearts forever. Sometimes life is not easy. My father works hard, but money is less. My mother feels tired from housework. Jack feels pressure from school exams. I also get nervous in my studies. But we never give up hope. We talk about our problems together. We support each other with love. We believe unity makes us strong. We face every problem with courage. Love is our biggest solution always. That's why we stay happy together. I often think about the future. I want to make my parents proud. I want to study hard and succeed. Jack wants to become a doctor one day. My father wants us to be honest. My mother wants us to be kind. We all share our dreams together. Dreams give us energy to move forward. I believe we will reach our goals because we work hard as a family. Respect and love guide our way. Our future will be bright together. This is my happy family. My father works hard for us. My mother gives love and care. My brother brings joy and laughter. We live together in peace and love. We help and respect each other always. Our home is full of kindness. We share meals, stories, and dreams. We celebrate happy days with smiles. We stay strong in difficult times. Family is the greatest gift in life. I am proud of Julie's happy family. In my family, mornings are always busy. My father gets ready for his job. My mother prepares breakfast for all of us. Jack packs his school bag with books. I help my mother set the table. We sit together before leaving the house. We eat bread, eggs, and tea or milk. We talk about what we will do today. My father smiles and wishes us luck. My mother says, "Study hard and be kind." Jack and I say goodbye before school. This routine makes mornings happy and fresh. Evenings are special in our family. After work, my father comes home tired, but he always smiles and hugs us. My mother serves hot tea for him. Jack and I share our school stories. We laugh about funny things in class. Sometimes my father helps us with homework. He is very good at mathematics. After homework, we watch TV together. We sit in the living room happily. We enjoy cartoons, news, or family shows. Evenings bring us closer as a family. On Sundays, we have a family cleaning day. Everyone helps to make the house tidy. My father cleans the garden outside. My mother washes clothes and cooks food. Jack and I clean our bedrooms. We also help by washing dishes. We listen to music while cleaning together. Sometimes we laugh and sing during work. After cleaning, the house looks so fresh. My mother says, "A clean home is a happy home." We eat a big lunch together on Sundays. Sundays are full of love and teamwork. My family also loves reading books. My father reads newspapers and history books. My mother reads cooking books and magazines. Jack reads science and storybooks. I like to read English books for practice. Sometimes we sit together and read quietly. After reading, we share what we learned. My father explains new words to us. My mother tells us nice recipes from books. Jack explains science experiments with excitement. I tell them English words I learned. Reading makes our family smarter and closer. We also like traveling as a family. Sometimes we visit our grandparents' village. The village is peaceful and green. We see mountains, trees, and rivers there. My father enjoys walking in the fields. My mother likes to meet relatives.